That's dope. Okay, awesome.
Thank you so much. Can we actually get them?
Hey you guys, what's up? So very exciting news. We're catching a flight, you guys. We're going international. I booked a flight in February. I'm gonna be going somewhere super cool. So drop me a comment and let me know where you think it is. I'll give you one clue. It is here in Europe. Photos of strangers in a different country. And another clue, they don't speak English. Oh my god, the pigeons here are getting loose. Sorry guys, excuse me. Do you guys speak English?
Yeah.
Yep. Nice. I'm doing a video for my YouTube channel taking photos of strangers when I like their look. And you guys have a really cool look if you want to portrait together. It's for YouTube.
I do understand, but we're just really in a rush to Sagrada.
Ah,
just
Sagrada.
Yes, it's just
Okay.
going to be closed soon. So we're just in a rush there. We're just
Okay.
waiting
И сейчас вы будете в Саграде?
Да, мы поедем.
Да.
Да, просто она в 6 закрывается. Есть.
Она русская.
Да, все, есть.
Она из Украины тоже. Okay, so guys, здесь, да, вместе? Да.
Да, вместе.
Окей, да, еще раз, как есть. Классно. Стой. И в камеру. Здесь. Окей, класс. Стой. Хорошо, близко. И сделай так рукой.
Так,
Вот.
так, за вторую или как?
Я думаю, что здесь. Да? Ты здесь.
Давай.
Классно в камеру. Да. Oh, I love this one. Да, смотри, это круто.
А можно где-то оригинал, чтобы...
Смотри.
Turn me on to my heart's desire. Now I'm dying to let you know what I feel.
Ты бы хотите портрет тоже, да?
Как именно?
Отдельно?
Будет классно, да.
Ну, давай.
Yeah.
Давай, иди.
Я?
Так
Да, и
портрет же.
потом.
А потом ты.
Guys, это лучше, чем Саграде. Окей. О май гад. Что делает? Спасибо большое. Да. Здесь хорошо, да, на дороге. Oh my god, amazing, yes. Окей, чуть-чуть. Здесь? Вот так? Да. Yeah. Класс в камеру. Yeah, serious, perfect. This one's like model, как модель. Классно. Oh, you're like, у нас команда. Тоже хочешь портрет?
Класс.
Да?
Да, классно. Красиво.
Ну, у меня с портретами так себе.
Не хочешь?
Да, давай.
Окей.
А можно и здесь.
Да, хорошо.
Там свет
Да.
лучше?
А, есть, свет лучше здесь. Да? И можешь так. Смотри туда. Yes, класс.
Почему не хочется ржать?
Окей, boom. Смотри.
Да, вообще хорошо. Классно.
Да.
Очень нравится.
Да.
О, красиво.
Круто.
Да.
Прикольно.
Yeah, we're walking on cloud nine.
Тогда вам Инстаграм напишу.
Да, на инстаграме.
Ну и на видео посмотрим.
Окей.
Напишем.
Yes.
Спасибо большое. Было
Все,
приятно
хорошо
познакомиться.
день, да.
Взаимно.
Пока-пока. Hey guys, pardon? Do you guys speak English, Spanish? English. Perfect. I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel taking photos of strangers. And I see you there taking pictures. You have a really cool look. If you want a portrait.
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Where are you guys from?
Canada.
Oh, cool. First Canadians on the channel. Okay, awesome. So if you guys want to stand over here.
What do you want me to do?
I think you have...
Glasses or no?
No, I think they look cool. They look cool. Okay, so just looking at... Perfect. See that? Love it. And can you do a few more like leaning in? I saw you doing before. Yeah. Yeah, leaning in. Yeah. Yes, perfect. That's a dope shot. See that? Perfect. Stay just like that. Stay like that. Leaning in again, a little bit more. Yes, perfect.
Once upon a time I had 9 lives. I could take the front and back the same night. I could be a part.
Do you guys want a portrait too?
Come on, guys, come on. You can go. That's cool.
Like for your holiday? Yeah.
Holidays. Also, could we get one of the
All together? Yeah. Okay, yes. Oh, holding the glasses, pulling them down just a little bit. I was like, what? Okay. Perfect. Wait, someone's trying to just stay like that. That's really nice. Damn, these are super nice. Stay there. Okay, you're gonna love these ones.
Oh wow. That's so cute.
The purple is vibing.
Yeah.
I'm loving that look.
Thank you. Oh my god.
See, look at these ones, guys, too.
Wow. Mira. Oh my
What you gotta do? What you gotta do? Yeah. What you gotta do?
Can you do something like this, maybe? Hands in. Yeah, looking down a little bit. Awesome. Yeah, perfect. Awesome. Stay like that. You want to try some without the glasses too? Do you want to try some without the glasses too? One sec. Someone's trying to get in your picture. Okay, awesome. One more. Damn, these are so nice. Have a look.
Oh yeah, cute. I like. Ooh.
Whatever I wanted, that was my life. I don't wanna brag it, my stilo. More like only talking to my pillow.
Okay, do you guys want one together?
Yeah,
Just yeah. Yes, that's a good shape. Like if you come a little bit more into, perfect. Okay, stay like that. Yes, get in like closer, nice. And one portrait. Let me just wait one sec. I feel like, can you put this hands on her shoulder as well? And I'll take that if you want. I'm not gonna run. It's like, me boy, this is part of my plan. I got one black bag. Okay, yes, stay like that.
This is so cool. Oh my god. You're insane.
That's dark.
That's
Okay, awesome.
Thank you
Where
so
can we,
much.
can we actually get them?
What you gotta do?
For sure.
What
that
is
was
it?
sick.
Well, we'll definitely reach out to you. Thanks so much.
Yes,
I feel like
awesome.
That's something people really appreciate. Like you want nice.
No,
pictures.
it's so nice. Like, yeah, people.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah.
So, I'll send you guys the pictures. Yes, in like a few days.
Take care.
Yes,
so
you
much.
too. Okay, you guys look dope. ¿Español? Sí. Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos de gente desconocida cuando me gusta su look. Os queda súper chulo. Si quieres una foto aquí al medio. Mira,
¿Dónde va la foto?
YouTube. Así. Y te las mando también.
Vale.
Sí, ¿no? Sería guay.
¿Vale?
Yes.
Sí.
Sí.
Vale.
Guay. No hay gente. Esperamos, ¿no? No quiero matarte hoy.
No.
¿De dónde eres aquí?
De aquí,
Barcelona,
de
guay.
Barcelona. Ahora,
Ahora vamos. Ok, yes, me encanta. Yes, perfecto. Y un poquito más a la derecha. Sí, ahí. Aguanta. Ah, ahora tenemos que ir. Casi. Sí, no, mejor.
ese medio aquí no pueden matar.
Sí. Ahora sí, un poquito más. Sí. Sí, está perfecto. Y un poquito más. Yes, guay, me encanta. Yes, guys. ¿Y ahí? ¿Mirando? Sí. Yes, mira.
Ah, muy bien.
Guay, ¿no?
Sí, muy bien.
Yes, so
Oye,
guys.
bien.
Sí. Y sin morir. Sí. Me puedes mandar un mensaje y te mando un link para descargar las fotos. Y te mando un link para ver el vídeo.
De acuerdo, vale.
Vale, no.
Vale,
Ok,
gracias,
so-
que vaya bien.
Sí, adiós.
Gracias,
Chao.
chao.
Gracias. Estoy grabando un vídeo sacando fotos de gente desconocida cuando me gusta su look. Y tienes un look super guay si quieres una foto para YouTube.
Vale, me quito esto.
Sí, mejor. Sí, un poquito más aquí. Ok, guay. Este hombre atrás, ¿qué haces? Ajá, me mires. Perfect. Yes, quiet. Ajá, yes, me encanta esto, así. Ah, mire, esto aquí, el pelo, ahí abajo. Sí. Guay, mira.
Vale. Ay, sí, son muy guays.
Sí, ¿no?
Sí, me encantan. ¿Me las podrás pasar?
Claro, esto también, súper chula.
Sí,
Damn,
muy guay.
me encanta.
Muy
Ok,
guay, muy
perfecto.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Yeah. What you
Ok, que tengas un buen día.
Igualmente,
Adiós,
gracias.
chao. Okay, so let's jump into the hashtag and see all of the work that you guys have been shooting. You guys have done such a good job. This one here is the vibe. This is really cool, Romania. This one here, Shifty Shoots, that's a super nice portrait. This one is also cool, Takuma, a light trail. How could we not love a night trail? And these ones are super cool as well. I'm loving the blue vibe. This one is really nice. That's a vibe in Plymouth. This one too, sunset, or I would say, yeah, sunset. This one is a cool shot. And this one as well, I really love the colors. It's like a super soft. This one is really nice. Wow, Dubai, city view, awesome. That's one place I would love to go. And also this is really cool too. And let's do one more. Una más, una más, una más. This one, nice shot. Okay, so if you guys want to be on the hashtag, make sure you hashtag WhosYourBrad with your best uploads. And make sure you take a guess for which country we're going to be going to next month. I'm so excited. Photos of strangers on the road. Thank you for all of the support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hasta luego.